गुड इवनिंग गाइस, यू आर मोस्ट वेलकम इन वन ऑफ माय वीडियो सेशन। मैं सिद्धार्थ, स्पोकन इंग्लिश ट्रेनर, और आज मैं आपको जिनसे मिलाने जा रहा हूँ दो भाइयों की कहानी, उन्हीं के जुबानी। राइट, ये दो ब्रदर हैं मेरे सामने। वन इज़ प्रताप एंड अदर वन इज़ प्रशांत। और इंग्लिश का जहाँ तक सवाल था तो ज़ीरो ही था जब मेरे पास में आए थे, और अभी इनसे सुनते हैं इनकी क्या स्थिति है इंग्लिश को लेके। सो विदाउट एनी फर्दर डू, लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड।
Yes, sir.
So, Pratap, good evening.
Good evening, sir.
How are you doing?
Sir, I'm doing phenomenal. About you?
Phenomenal too. So, Pratap, भाई एक question है हमारा. How are you feeling over here?
Sir, I am feeling magnificent. About you?
Who told you about the RCC?
Sir, my father told me. When I woke up early in the morning, I saw that my father is finding for an English institute. He saw a website on Google there of British School of English. He went inside the website and came here right off the bed. My father talked to you, then you said that come after a week. After a week, my father was not there, so I came with my cousin and my mother. After coming, you said that you can come whenever you feel like, so I started coming here after when my cousin came with me after that day.
What's your name?
Hello everyone, I would like to say my introduction. I am Prashant Chaudhary. I did 7th from Miklava International Academy. Presently I am in 7th class. Presently I am in 8th class. My father, Mr. Bansila Chaudhary, and he is a government student. I have a younger brother. If I talk about my hobbies, I am fond of playing cricket. I have a dream to become a renowned soldier. I think that's all about me. Thanks for listening to me. It's okay.
Prashant, what do you want to become in life and why?
I want to become a soldier because I want to protect my country from terrorists.
What was your yesterday's routine from dusk to dawn? What you did?
I woke up early in the morning, then I got freshened up, then I took bath. After taking bath, then I got ready for my school. Then I went to school. Then I studied over there 7 hours. Then I came back home. Then I had my lunch.
Close to your mouth.
And then I had my lunch. Then I went to my language classes. Then I studied over there for a couple of hours. Then I came back home. Then I had my dinner. Then I watched TV for some time. Finally, at last I hit the bed at 9 p.m.
Okay. So you both are real siblings.
Yes, sir.
Say you both are.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So how are you feeling over here?
So I am feeling magnificent here.
Why are you feeling magnificent over here?
Because when I came here, my English was low.
No, pathetic.
Pathetic.
Now.
So now I can speak magnificent English, sir.
Okay. Yes. So Pratap.
Yes.
Which is your favorite movie? And tell something about that movie, right, to our viewers.
Sir, my favorite movie is Golmaal 3.
Golmaal 3.
Yes, sir. Sir, I like this movie because of the actor of this movie. Sir, I am not able to recollect the name of the actor.
Ajay Devgn.
Yes, sir. I am aficionado of the actor.
Okay.
Name's Ajay Devgan,
Okay.
and he makes every movie. He makes every movie which is fully of entertainment and comedy. That's why I like his movies.
Okay.
And Golmaal 3 is the bestest movie for me.
Over you. It's one of your favorite.
Yeah, it's one of my favorite movie.
Okay.
Over to you, sir.
प्रताप, कोई ऐसा इंसिडेंस आपकी लाइफ में हुआ है, लाइक बाय दैट इंसिडेंस यू गॉट टू नो दैट यू नो लाइक द वैल्यू ऑफ इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ इंग्लिश इन लाइफ?
Sir, one day I was thinking about my future. So I thought that I want to become a renowned IAS officer. For that I need English. If I want to visit anywhere, so that's why I need English, because English is a global language. it is the only language which is being spoken in all over the world. So over to you.
So, do you want to recommend guys to join British School of English who is literally suffering from ramshackle English?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I want to say my viewers that you should join this institute because there are three things why you should join this institute. In this institute, Hindi is strictly prohibited and the sir is so strict. In this institute, Hindi is strictly prohibited and sir is so strict. That's why you should join this institute. Sir, in this institute there is no holidays. Every single day you will have to come over here. Sir, over to you.
सो गाइज आप देख सकते हैं दोनों रियल सिबलिंग्स हैं, वन इज़ प्रशांत एंड अदर वन इज़ प्रताप, और कॉन्फिडेंस देखिए इन बच्चों का, द वे दे आर स्पीकिंग इज़ फैबुलस। हम आपको अभी भी यही कह रहे हैं, यहाँ पे कोई चार्म नहीं है, कोई 90 घंटे वाला इंग्लिश का कोई ब्रांड नहीं है, हमने हमारा ब्रांड खुद बनाया है। राजस्थान में अगर कोई बच्चों को फ्लुएंसी सिखा पा रहा है तो दैट इज़ ओनली द ब्रिटिश स्कूल ऑफ इंग्लिश। मैं जानता हूँ बहुत जगह इंग्लिश के इंस्टीट्यूट चल रहे हैं, अगर आपको कोर्स करना है, चुकी है, ता ते ती विल बी शैल बी राम हंसता है, इस तरह का अगर आपको कोर्स करना चाहते हैं तो आप 90 घंटे वाले इंस्टीट्यूट ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं। बट इफ़ यू वांट टू बी फ्लुएंट, अगर आपको अपनी पर्सनैलिटी में विंग्स लगाने हैं, यकीन मानिए एक बार विजिट कीजिए, टेक अ फ्री डेमो क्लास, हम आपकी आत्मा से इंग्लिश बुलवा देंगे। थैंक्स फॉर माई कैमरामैन शिवम, थैंक यू वेरी मच।